Sir, these much cases, what does it signify to the Nigerian country in respect of the present situation of insecurity?
Well, the message is clear, direct and straightforward. It is that the present administration is not taking the issue of terrorism with levity. And that is why you see ongoing trials. Since the inception of this administration, this is about the fourth phase, that we are undertaking. So the message is that let everybody know that terrorism in whatever form, shape, will not be tolerated, will not be condoned, and will fight with every inch of our blood to ensure that we make Nigeria a safe haven for everybody.
Can we know the total number of the suspects?
Well, for this phase, the ones we have today, we have about 390. 490. Tomorrow we'll have 84. But this 84 does not include the 100 that was 102 that was brought forward from the last phase. So in total, you have almost 500 that's about 600 plus to contend with for this phase. And we have been assured by the honorable judges that they will do their utmost to ensure that they clear these number for this phase.
So how optimistic are you that this case will have expeditious hearing? Because we have cases who have spanned from 2-3 years and they're still undergoing trial.
If you observe, the cases, we have about 10 judges devoted to this phase alone. And they are not doing any other cases apart from the terrorism cases. So it's a, total devotion to trial of terrorism cases. So I'm optimistic, and I've gotten assurances from them that they will do no other than this one, and they are speeding up, starting the process without compromising the necessary safeguards and oversight that they are meant to do.
Now, sir, Nigeria would like to know from the proceedings so far today, has there been any conviction?
No, there have been convictions, but I'm not in a position to give you the total number. Don't forget that I said there are 10 judges. So at the end of the day, we'll be able to give record of what has transpired today. But I want you to also take note that the trial will take 4 days. That is today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. So by the end of Thursday, we are optimistic that we would have gone very, very far.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.